Constitucional del Callao, la misma que se encuentra a 15 minutos de la ciudad de Lima, capital de Perú. Por su seguridad y en atención a las reglamentaciones nacionales.
Hello, we are already here in Peru and we are taking this train later, Peru Rail. Excited. We are finally here in Peru, in Lima, catching our connecting flight to Cusco. For the first time, wala akong makita ang Pilipino kahit. So you're saying?
No, like, nakakatuwa dahil first time ko nakapunta na South America and to see the natives here. Then even nakita ko lang sa TV or sa so nakakatuwa because it's really them, the Aztecs or the Incas, and it's awesome.
It feels different to be in a place that talagang you really feel yung, I don't know, country nila. Even the music, the whole vibe. This is our first Peruvian fast food. It's called Pardo's Chicken. And we're going to try out their Peruvian breakfast and chicken.
Dahil mahaba ang layover namin, ayan, pinapapamasahe.
Board our plane to Cusco. Check out the eyes.
A la puerta de embarque número 1.
Yeah, first time wala kang nakikita ni isang
Su atención, por favor. Vuelo Avianca 801 con destino a Julián.
Nakahawak ako sa
whatever. Show off.
kanya po te.
Ikaw na matangkad eh. Like daw ganun pa out.
Ang bitter. Boarding the plane! Going to Cusco! Just landed here in Cusco on our way to Plaza de Armas. Music, diba? Ay. Nakakatawa yung floor nila, oh. We just arrived here at Ollantaytambo. Very nice little town. I love it. Now walking towards the train station of Ollantaytambo, going to Aguas Calientes. That's my love. I left my new fedora inside the plane. Well, what? 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 To board our train going to Machu Picchu. Hello! We're finally inside the train going to Machu Picchu. Nice windows. Finally, we are in Aguas Calientes, Machu Picchu, and this is what the town looks like. It's super nice. On our way to our hotel, we're located at the end of the road kasi gusto namin yung backdrop ng mountain tsaka hindi masyadong tourist spot. We're staying at Tierra Vista, the Urubamba River. Grabe, ang lakas ng And these are our hotel we are on our way to our room. And it's nice and cozy. We have a view of the Urubamba River.
Oh, we can open? Oh, cool.
And finally here at our hotel. It's called Viera Viva. We love it. It's nice. Oh wow. We are here at the Machu Picchu Square. Aguascalientes Square actually. Wow, what a nice backdrop. We are hungry. After a long journey to Machu Picchu,
Ito na kami. We have a nice dinner. Naligo kami, ah. Grabe. Iba na to.
Peru is famous for their cocktail called Pisco Sour. It's passion fruit. Ready to eat. We're having lomo saltado and chicharon de pollo, which is fried chicken. You say,
Sarap.
sarap ng chicken, saka yung lomo saltado. Very well prepared. It was one good meal.
Yeah. Absolutely.
And then,
Let me know the kind of love that will remain forever.
wait for a nice massage to end our night. Pagod na yung asawa ko. Paano ka pa sa Machu Picchu?